brothers and sisters. Welcome to Math 100L, your introduction to algebra, finance, and language. I'm Sister Melissa Faulkner. I get to be your instructor for this course, and I'm super excited and looking forward to what's coming this semester. A little about me before you start. This is my little family. So there's me, my husband Ian, and we have two boys. Brody is the older boy and Crosby is a little bit younger. Okay, they're about 2 years apart. I'll probably talk about them a lot this semester on discussion boards and in things because they're my whole life. I love them. And so I'll be telling you about them. Just like I'll be telling you and using experiences from my life, I hope you'll be willing to open up this semester and let me know a little bit about you. I have found that if students reach out to me and tell me a little bit about them and really are real with me, then we have a better experience through the class because I'm able to help you more. So please know I'm a regular person just like you, and I want to get to know you and learn from you. So please don't ever hesitate to talk to me. I know sometimes in maybe other colleges you've gone to or other classes, the teacher is kind of intimidating and someone you can't talk to. That is not me. I am here for you to help at any time, so please just let me know. So a few things about this course. First of all, the first few weeks, the load is a little bit heavier. I feel like it always is in any course you take. You're starting to figure out what's happening in the course. There's a bunch of things to read to get ready for the course. So just know the few weeks are a little bit heavier, but it will get better as it goes on. I shouldn't say better. It will get a little bit lighter. The load will get a little bit lighter as we go on. Make sure to read and watch all content for the greatest understanding of concepts. I don't know how many times in past semesters I've gotten questions that can be answered by something in the course. Now, contact me still at any time with any questions you do have. My email is there on the screen, faulknerm@byui.edu. I'll show you another place you can find it in a minute as well. But it will save you time if you make sure you've read through everything first before you ask me a question. But say something comes up in the course you don't understand, or you notice I did something wrong, because I'm human and sometimes I do, or you just have a question or concern, please email me. We're often on different time zones, but when I am awake here in Utah, I am checking my email at least every hour, and I'm pretty quick at responding. So please let me know if you have any questions. In this course, I want you in this course to understand what is happening. I want you to come away feeling like you understand these concepts. And you can't understand them if you take a quiz, you fail it, and you never try again. So quizzes and exams can be retaken. Okay? Quizzes, you have 3 times to retake them, and it will take the highest score for your grade. Exams can be retaken. You're going to have 4 exams in this course. The first 3 exams, if you score really low, and you want to retake them, you need to meet with me or do a little extra studying and let me know before you retake it. The last exam it's a quick turnaround time, so you may not have as much time to get help with a tutor or a friend or something during that time, but it still can be retaken. But again, when we get to that point, if you need help or need retakes or something, let me know. Okay, and I'm going to come to discussion boards in a minute. First of all, I want to go into our course. So you're all coming from GS 120L. That is the class I have taught the most. This class is pretty new to me. So that's why I say please contact me if you notice something, because I am learning along with you. But like I said, I want to be here to help you, okay? So please let me know. But it is a little different than GS 120L. In GS 120L, you were given a prompt every week and you had to respond to it. In the discussion boards, so you still have questions and conversations. These questions and conversations, if you have something come up or a concern in the class, you can respond to it here. I will tell you, I am much faster at responding to a message from you or an email from you than on this questions and conversations board. That does not mean you can't ask it here. It just might take me a little bit longer, more like a day instead of a couple hours. Okay, then you'll see we have the regular discussion board. So lesson 1 is meet one another, but then look, lesson 2, provident living, lesson 3, provident living, lesson 4, provident living. So it's a little bit different than GS 120L. You're going to be reading and studying and talking about it. You are not required to start your own thread each week. but you are required to write 5 responses. Whether it's starting your own thread, commenting on others' threads, you're still required to comment. You just might already see that somebody said something similar to what you want to say, so you're just going to respond to it. So as you're jumping in, please read the instructions for the discussion boards because it is a little bit different than GS120L. Okay, I just want to show you a few things here. So if we go here to content for our course, and we go to overview, ta-da, there I am, okay? If at any time you need to contact me and you can't remember my email address, this is where you find it, okay? I do have virtual office hours, so I can meet with you online. It's actually changed. This should not be Adobe Connect anymore. I will get that fixed. But you can meet with me online. You just have to schedule it before, okay? Now, same thing here as in GS120L. There's lessons. But look here. Let's go to lesson 1. So this is the first week. It's a little bit different in that you might see you will see folder A, folder B, folder C. Same thing as GS120L, pre-gathering, gathering, post-gathering. So watch those dates and always start in the getting started folder to check what's going on. Okay. As we jump into the semester, no, every week on Monday, I will post an announcement for the week. Things to watch for, things to make sure of, concerns that might come up. I will also always on Thursday post a video talking about things we're learning for the week, giving tips and ideas, and sharing there. None of the other videos will be this long. This right now, we're at 6 minutes, 45 seconds. This is pretty long, okay? They won't all be this long. They'll usually be about a minute or two. And you're not required to watch my videos, although I hope you do. And just know, though, in the past I have had students say if they watch my videos, they get more from the class and are able to kind of make things a little bit easier on them because I do give you tips and tricks. As we begin this semester, though, I kind of want to talk to you for just 1 minute about math. Now, I love math. It has always been something I have had to work really hard at. In college, when I attended BYU Idaho, I had to spend a lot of time in the math tutoring center. I got a lot of extra help with math, and then I learned it, and I was able to use it. It's okay to need to reach out and need help. There are some things about math that can be really difficult, but they're not going to get any easier if you don't get help. So just like I spent hours and hours and hours in the tutoring center, not saying you have to spend hours, but if you need help or have concerns or have problems, please let me know. That's what I'm here for. I look forward to working with you this semester. Jump in, get searching, get learning, and we will see you as we go on.